Students, myself Vishnu Samothya, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Practical session, qualitative analysis of sulfur, halogen, phenol, alcohol containing compounds. Now we discuss the procedure of qualitative analysis of different metallic compounds. Now we start. The place of the peaks of the cleansed sodium metal about the size of pea into the fusion tube. Add a little of the compounds by 50 milligrams of 2 to 3 drops and heat to tube the genity of a fast, allowing any distillated form to drop back onto the molten sodiums. When the charging begins, heat to the bottoms of a tube to dull redness of the about 3 minutes and finally plugs the tubes. When still hot, into a clean dish containing cold distillated water 6 milliliters and convert immediately with a clean wire. So for the liquids, it is better to the melt the sodium added the liquid drop by drop. So the test tube is or any reducible sodium metals react with the waters. Stir the mixers boil for 1 to 2 minutes and tripods and filter hot through a filtered papers. The fusion filtered papers with a should by clean and colorless is used for the specific test described below. So to the protons 2 ml of the fusion filtrate and add 2.0 grams of powdered ferrous sulfate crystals and boil to the mixers for the half a minutes and cool and acidify by the adding the dilute sulfuric acid dropies. So the formation of a bleached greens participates person blue and the blue solution indicated that the original substance contains nitrogens. If no precipitated appears, allow the stand from the 15 minutes filters and inspect filter papers. And next, the sulfur quality analysis to the cold fusion filtrate paper is 1 ml and 5 drop of cold and freshly prepared dilute solution of sodium nitrophosphides and letters may be pursued by the adding a small crystal of a solid 2 milliliters of the waters and production of the rich पर्पल कलर इंडिकेटेड द ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस कंटेंट सल्फर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो आपके पास यदि पर्पल कलर प्रेजेंट होता है तो कंपाउंड कौन सा होगा? सल्फर कंपाउंड. सो दिस इज टेस्ट इज वेरी सेंसिटिव, only strong positive results are significant. And next are halogen test. Halogen are acidify and proton is 1 ml of the fusion filtrate with 2N nitric acid and if the nitrogen add or sulfur are present, boil for 1 to 2 minutes and cool and added the apparatus silver nitrate 1 milliliter. So the compare with a blank formation of the heavy waters or heavy white or yellow precipitated of a silver halide indicated halogen. If a positive result is obtained, acidify the remaining proton of the fusion filtrate with a dilute sulfuric acid, boil and cool. Add the carbon tetrachlorides 1 ml of acid, few drop of freshly prepared the chlorine waters, sac and a mixtures. If the carbon tetrachloride layers remaining colorless, indicated the chlorines. If the carbon tetrachloride layer is brown, indicated the bromines. If the carbon tetrachloride layer is volatile, indicated this iodines. So the test of halogens, chlorine, bromine and iodines, indicated the carbon tetrachloride layer remains is colorless or indicated is chlorine and indicated the carbon tetrachloride layer is brown or indicated is bromine and indicated of carbon tetrachloride layer is volatile indicated is iodines. So if the nitrogen and the sulfur are also present and additions of silver nitrate to the acidified fusion solutions will precipitated silver cyanide and the silver sulfide is addition to the silver halide. So the removal of hydrogen cyanides and hydrogen sulfide is affected by the boiling the fusion solution. So the group classification test are present in the sum of the functional group test is listed below. So students should refer to the practical textbooks and details of library. So further information for examples are vehicles and test of the unsaturated compounds. Unsaturated compounds are colloid, dilute potassium, dilute potassium permanganate solution, and solution of bromine in carbon tetrachloride. Test of the carbon test for the compound containing nitrogen company compound are, that is the examples of amines, nitric acid, and confirmatory test. Confirmatory test. And next are the compound which gives amines and ammonia on acid of alkaline hydrolysis, and amines substituted amides and anhalides and nitriles, and compound containing which gives amines or the reduction, that is the nitrogen and azo, hydroxo and nitriles. Okay students, next are the test for the containing carbon, hydrogen, and possibility of oxygen, carboxylic acid, that is the Na2CO3 and NaSCO3 solution, liberated of carbon dioxides. And the next are the phenols. Phenol are the sodium hydroxide solution. Okay students, so soluble in soluble is sodium hydroxide solution are soluble insoluble in a and no CO2 for NaSCO3 expected to the electron attracting group are present. So examples are 2,4-dinitrophenols are ferric chloride solutions and bromine waters. And next are the aldehyde and ketone. Students, aldehyde and ketone, first are the 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogens as a Bayer's reagents for carbonyl CO groups. And next are the students, aldehyde and ketone are confirmation test is iodine test, iodoform test, that is the CH3CO test. So aldehyde only reducing properties, the Fehling solution, Tollen reagent, ammonia AgNO3 solution, Jones reagents are aldehyde test. So students, alcohol are Lungus reagents to the first, second, third alcohols are different in this reagent. So Jones reagents and metallic sodium use dry liquid and dry tubes are known as a different separation mixers of alcohols. So next sugar के लिए students अपन टेस्ट करते हैं मोलिस टेस्ट एंड एस्टर्स आर हाइड्रोऑक्सिम्स एसिड टेस्ट एंड हाइड्रोलाइसिस टेस्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये होता है अपने पास क्वालिटी एनालिसिस ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप एंड हैलोजन सल्फर कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड्स. ओके, थैंक यू.